Hey man, what the fuck? Boy, how you doing? It's hot. I'm sorry. It's hot in the mud. It's hot. I can't do it. Hey y'all, I'm back, bro. I just got me some tacos, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. It's hot as hell, bro. Bro, it's hot as fuck. This shit is crazy, y'all. Look at the gang. The fastest 200 in Detroit, Michigan. Yeah, nigga, let's go, bro. Look, hey, man. Let's go. He got the hardest 200, bro. He got the hardest. Y'all got this, bro. Y'all just took my pants off. I ain't gonna lie, bro. But y'all can tell from the thumbnail and the title, man. Before I even say anything, make sure y'all drop a like on the video. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all turn that first notifications on, man.
Hit that bell, nigga.
Yeah. Let's hit that motherfucking bell. Gang, you slap. Hey, y'all, drop down in the comment section, bro. If he slaps, then I got a couple of y'all like split. If he slaps some motherfucking different tips on this bitch gonna be crazy loud.
Nigga, I'm about to get 4-inch pipe right now, bro. I got inspiration, bro.
Oh, what if you do get that bitch on that? That nigga taking full investments in this bitch. That mean, nigga, he trying to make a new thing, bro. So yeah, y'all, we call this bitch the bully. The bully.
Baby,
bully, nigga. Fuck. Huh? Oh shit. Goddamn. Fuck. Look, y'all know this bitch. We on 7 Mile and Hayes. I ain't gonna lie, we about to we need some gas and shit, so we about to do that real quick. You finna grab some up out here? It's hot as a bitch. Bro got that hoodie on. I know he hot as fuck. Damn, bro. God damn, fuck. Oh no. I don't think. Oh shit. Okay. Okay. We just seen a mysterious looking ass nigga, bro. What is that nigga my player creation, bro? That shit was fucking crazy.
Put 93 in my shit.
Yeah, you about to put 93, y'all. Y'all ain't gotta see us put that bitch in. It smell like tires and ass. We find out. Man. Fuck. Yeah, y'all, you know you gotta put 93 in this big fat bitch. This bitch got a V12 in this bitch. Fuck, it's hot as hell. This gas, running rubber, nigga.
I just got done spinning.
You just got this. No, it dead ass smell like ass over here. Like dead fucking ass. Bro, who dog is it? Shut the fuck up. Y'all, look at this sexy ass fucking shit, bro. I got some fun in it. This shit look good as fuck.
A few moments later.
Alright, my boys, we in this motherfucker, man. This the car right here, man. Y'all see the peanut butter interior in this motherfucker. This stainless steel. I got the stains on this bitch. Good as hell. Everything's look good as hell, bro. For real. So we about to get this boy rev real quick. The miles on here very low. What year is it again, bro?
2020.
2020? Yeah. Alright. Yeah. I'm about to rev it real quick, y'all.
What the fuck?
What the fuck? Oh, you gotta put this bitch at the goddamn. Shit loud as hell. God damn, this bitch loud as hell, y'all. This loud as hell. Let me tell you what this bitch is. Man, how much y'all get it for? That's a deal. I mean, that ain't nothing bad. It was just a
I got it for 21.
Oh, you got it for 21?
Yeah, I got it for that's fucking
That's not bad though. All you had to do is the like bumper, right?
Reinforcement bar, plates.
You said it got Alpine? Alpine? Yeah.
I'm pretty sure it has.
Alpine or Harvey Carvin? So they, hold on. Oh, they got Alpine in that bitch. Okay, that's smooth shit. Damn, this bitch, I'm about to pop the hood on this motherfucker. This bitch loud, overly loud as fuck, y'all. It's a 2020 though. This is like, nigga, that bitch look mean as hell. He got it for 21. It was just the bumper. That's about in the airbag and shit. What else? It was just, this bitch nice, y'all. I like the interior in this bitch. This is really nice interior. I ain't gonna lie. You good? Alright, bet. Shit. Fucking nice.
Hey, is this what's making the car smell like that?
I think so. Man.
Think so?
What's that?
I don't want to steal your sauce.
Oh man.
Steal your sauce.
Hell yeah.
But this smells good.
What you got it in? Make sure my shit's smooth. Yeah, turn that AC up. Yeah, faster. Just roll the windows down and shit, for real. it for me right here? Yeah. But make it like it's the POV though. I mean, don't be too funny. I ain't trying. This shit feels different. Like a brand new car.
How many miles on it?
16. 16,000.
It's a teller right here, buddy.
Man. Oh, this bitch loud.
Y'all got resonator on here?
No.
So it's no muffler, no res.
It's like a straight pipe, but it's like 4-inch tubing all around.
Okay, cool.
Oh, this shit loud as fuck. Y'all gotta, like, if y'all was here in person, bro, this shit loud as fuck. Thanks. Go ahead. Traction all the way on, cool. Oh, this bitch nice as hell. I just merge up right here?
Yeah, you can call it that.
Alright, bet. Yeah, this motherfucker. The guys, bro. Y'all, I wish y'all can hear this bitch. This bitch so goddamn loud.
Ain't a lot of seats in this bitch. Every time I look back, you smile. That bitch sound crazy.
Yeah, that bitch do sound good as hell. Alright, y'all, we had to switch the phones. We had to switch the fucking phones. Is crazy. You said what, buddy? Oh, for real? We about to cruise. We about to cruise back to the motherfucking spot. Cause these police be on dick. And shit, they still be on dick about that 10 shit.
I'm 10 too.
Yeah. These niggas is crazy. These niggas be on dick about any and everything. A nigga can't even do a pool. Man. They be mad as fuck, bro. For real. No cap. We pulling it up from further down here and shit. If y'all want that bitch loud as fuck, do that. This bitch overly loud as fuck. Alright, my boys, man, that's gonna be it for the motherfucking video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure y'all drop in the comment section, man, if y'all enjoy this type of content, bro. I'm gonna just keep it like this, yo. I'm gonna just keep driving these cars till I get mine, bro. And that's how we gonna play this shit, man. I wanna make sure I'm giving y'all content every time, bro. Like really consistently, bro. So when I get my shit, it's gonna be on, you feel me? I wanna build a fan base before I get my shit. So that's really what I'm on some shit like that. But yeah, man, if y'all enjoyed the video, man, make sure y'all drop in the comment section. Y'all enjoyed the video, and if y'all made it this far, man, I appreciate y'all, man. Make sure y'all subscribe, turn the post notification on, drop a like on this video, man. And yeah, bro, Cardi out. And look, another thing, bro, can y'all help me? I need real help, bro, on rebranding my name, bro. I'm not doing Cardi no more. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna leave that back in for the game and shit, you feel me? So let me know. My name is Dre. You feel me? I go by Dre. So y'all just let me know in the comment section and help me out, man. So yeah, let's get it.